Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, Valorant has encountered a connection error with error code VAN79, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here add or remove programs. Now you're going to search for Vanguard on here. Here it is, you're just going to go ahead and uninstall Vanguard from your computer, and once you're done with that installing process, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restarting, now you're going to open up the Riot Client. And once you're in Riot Client, it will ask you to reinstall the Vanguard client. So just install Vanguard again. And once it's done installing, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write services.msc. Now you're going to look for the service called VGC on here. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard. Here it is. Right click on it, click properties. Make sure the startup type is set to either automatic or automatic delayed start, and then click start on here. And once it's done starting, click apply and then OK. After that, you can go ahead and play Valorant, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that VAN79 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.